Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's the first week in May in Lawrenceville, Georgia, which is zone 7 something, some people call it zone 8, whatever. Our temperature should be in the lows in the mid 50s, highs up in the mid 70s. Instead, the last 3 mornings the low temperature has been 40, 41, and 40. Way too cold to be putting these beauties out. So I've got tray after tray after tray of these things that we've been carting in and out. That means the cabbage, cauliflower, and lettuce outside has just been outstanding. So I'm trap carting the beginning of summer things in and out, but my gamble on a late spring with those cool season vegetables has been incredible. But what this has meant is that I don't have any space inside. And it's time to get the true summer things started, like cucumbers and squash, and there is no place to put them. So what I did is I decided to start them on paper towels, which is what I did 5 days ago. What that did is it let me put like 8 different vegetable seeds in this little stack of bags and start getting them going. For example, zucchini, as you can see, wonderful. 1, 2, 3, I got 4 great zucchinis here. So what's going to happen is I'm going to take these and put them in these trays now, and I'll just have to figure out what to do with them. But at least I'm 5 days ahead of the deal getting these things started. So we're going to start these zucchinis. These are a zucchini spineless. It's easy. Open the bag. Take a wet paper towel, damp paper towel, put your seeds in, put them in a bag. That's it. Now we're going to make a little hole. Drop that boy in there. Actually got 5 seeds, so I'm going to put the 1 back in the bag. If these guys don't all pop up tomorrow, I can at least I'll have one in reserve replacement. So now I'm going to make a zucchini spineless label to go in here. So there's the tag for them. Here's my next one here. It's a cucumber. The variety is Manny. I have not grown it before. Probably came from Urban Farmer. They had some really interesting things. And I got, looks like it may just be 3 of these. So I'll make my little holes. There we go. That's all I have there. I'm going to take a little piece of paper towel and put right there. Let me know there's nothing in that one. That way if I need it I can put something in it. Then we're going to go with a butternut early. See how they've done. Probably going to grow up pretty quick. So, see how those look? Those are coming along very nicely. This gave me 5 days of having room for these things, which is really nice. I got to make room for them now, but I got a little bit more things planted yesterday, and some of the things that could handle a little cooler weather planted yesterday, so I got a little space up there I can put them, even when I bring the other things in. There's that one. Sunflowers. Homemade pickle. Oh boy, those are beauties. I did quite a few of these. So we're going to go up here to this 9-pack for these guys, because I got a bunch of them. This is about the perfect size. When you get this long, you got to kind of curl them up, and that's somewhat defeating the whole purpose. Next we're going to do a cucumber. This is a bait, B-E-I-T alpha. I've got a P on here, which stands for some long word that basically means they don't need two, they'll pollinate all by themselves. So my theory is I can keep them covered, try and keep the vine borers off of them, keep them netted up the whole time, and we'll still get some cucumbers come out. Now, I don't know if that's going to work, but we're going to give it a try. These have not been as good in the germinating. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, you got to look pretty close to see that little nubby there. That gives me 4. I'm probably going to go ahead and toss a 5th one in there just because it's such a scrawny little germination. And we'll keep that one going. Oh, get these tucked in. And I've got 2 kinds of sunflower and another zucchini. The rampicante makes that big long zucchini. Supposedly it is resistant to the borers, so I got a chance of getting more out of them. But I've got to make up some more pots, so I'll get that done real quick. Now we'll do the zucchini, the rampicante. That's the big long. It's like a almost looks like a gourd of some kind. Big long spirally zucchini. Supposedly has some bug resistance. we need bug resistance. So, and you go, and you go, and you go, and you go. Okay, so there's 4 of them. We'll put the rest back in, see if we need them. And then we got the sunflower, the Autumn Beauty, which has a lot of oranges in it. So, let's see what we can do here with this guy. Very, very nice. I'm certainly going to try and make up some more pots and do some more of these sunflowers, because they're really pretty, and of course the birds love them. And give them a good watering. So that gets all that stuff planted up. Hope it'll all take in the dirt. This is David at Grow and Eat This. We're going to move forward despite the 40-degree mornings, and we are going to have us one big super duper summer garden. Thank you for watching.